A transformer is an electrical device that transfers energy between circuits, changing voltage levels using electromagnetic induction. It has three key parts: a laminated iron core, a primary coil that receives input, and a secondary coil that delivers output. Faraday's law states a changing magnetic field through a coil induces an electromotive force, the core principle of every transformer. Transformers only work with AC. Alternating current constantly changes direction, creating the changing magnetic flux needed for induction. AC in the primary coil creates a changing magnetic flux. The iron core concentrates and channels this flux to the secondary coil. The changing flux through the secondary coil induces a voltage. This is electromagnetic induction, delivering power to the output. More turns on the secondary than the primary means higher output voltage. This is a step-up transformer. Fewer turns on the secondary steps the voltage down, used in chargers and household electronics to safely reduce voltage. The turns ratio formula, Vs over Vp, equals Ns over Np. Secondary voltage to primary voltage equals secondary turns to primary turns. Energy is conserved. When voltage steps up, current steps down proportionally. Power N equals power out in an ideal transformer. Real transformers lose some energy as heat due to eddy currents, hysteresis in the core, and resistance in the copper windings. From power plants to your home, transformers step voltage up for efficient long-distance transmission, then step it down for safe, everyday use.